Here is a new and very easy to prepare fish recipe, Teriyaki Salmon. The result is a true gourmet dish. Try it and adopt it in your daily cooking. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by marinating the salmon. Remove the scales. Once grilled, the skin will be delicious. Rinse them. Wipe them with paper towel. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Squeeze half a lemon. Prepare the teriyaki sauce. In a mixing bowl, put 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice syrup. You can also use sugar or honey instead. 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, the grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 chopped garlic clove. Combine. Put the salmon pieces in the sauce. Let them marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, mince 5 grams of green onion, mix a pinch of white sesame with a pinch of black sesame. For the meal, I cook some short grain rice. I also prepare cucumber and wakame seaweed salad. I cut some homemade kimchi. The salmon has marinated for 30 minutes. Grill it. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, place the salmon skin side down on the pan. Let it grill for 3 minutes. Gently turn them over. Add all the sauce from the marinade. Tilt the pan and baste them for 3 minutes. Sprinkle with the green onion and the sesame seeds. The teriyaki salmon is ready. Serve with the rice. You can pour over more teriyaki sauce. Bon appétit! The green salmon is infused with this delicious thick teriyaki sauce. It raises and sublimates the fish. The fresh vegetables and the kimchi bring crunchy and new flavors. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.